Well, talking about you touched the credit score. So another, I think, myth or reality, right, is that a lot of people say, hey, like my credit score is 600. I will definitely not qualify.
You're right, you won't. Next question.
What's a minimum?
So it depends. So,
In London, it's always, it depends.
if we're talking about straight across the board stuff, which we're talking about, 97% of the US, looking at conventional or FHA loans or whatever, right? If we're talking about traditional, conventional conforming financing, a 580 will fly with FHA if you're a sole borrower, 620 with conventional. The cool thing that happened recently with conventional conforming financing, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, whoever you want to call them, they actually have allowed a blended credit score now.
I was about to ask it because I remember from your presentation.
It's super cool. Yeah, it was been about a year or so. So now, for example, you could have, a younger person who's got, relatively newer credit, or maybe was late on a credit card in college, whatever the case may be. They have a 540 credit score. But mom, she's got a 780. We throw them together, there's a very good chance that we're going to get what's called a DU or an LP approval, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac approval. It's pretty cool. They blend the scores to blend the credit profile. So it's a whole different thing now. FHA, you still got to be at a 580 or whatnot, but conventional loans, you can actually blend the credit profile to see if you qualify. So there's really no minimum if there's another borrower on that loan.
But if there is another borrower, does it also comes with their debt to the equation?
Or it does. It does.
So it's all the income and debt, everything, like the full profile.
Yeah, it's just not that simple. You're right. You still have to qualify with debt or the income, whatever the case may be. If you're buying a $300,000 property and mom's got the great credit but no income and she's got a couple debts, then you probably have an issue, right?
Oh, you need that.
Yeah. So, but usually people with really good credit, you'd be surprised. They help with qualifying regardless.